Good day, everybody. Welcome to Cruisin Classics YouTube channel. Today we are very proud to bring to you this simply stunning 1969 Camaro Z28. Dressed in deep red paint, deep enough to dive into, gorgeous black stripes, cowl hood, just a great look. You'll notice here that the front bumper and headlight bezels are in excellent gleaming condition. You can see down underneath the front chin spoiler. Up on the hood, you'll notice that not only is there a black pinstripe, but also a silver metallic pinstripe which has been added. The silver metallic pinstripe is not set under the clear though, and could be removed if you so desired. As you see here on the side of the car, the same theme continues with the double pinstriping. You can see the chrome rocket racing wheels. Very nice chrome spear down the rocker panel, door edge guard, dual side mirrors, nice looking side gills, and a brand new vinyl top that is simply flawless. Not only has the vinyl top been put on new, all the glass all the way around on this car is brand new, crystal clear, free of scratches or hazing. We'll take a quick look down the driver's side. I want to try and show all of you as best I can with the camera here how just laser straight the sides of this car are. Excellent body panel fitment, excellent even gaps. As you look at the door, you can see that very plainly. Walking around to the rear of the car here, you'll notice that it has the spoiler package, which is D80 on the trim tag. And this car does have a trim tag that was removed during the restoration work and is now located in a small box in the trunk. Speaking of the trunk, look at how well done this trunk is. And you'll see when we get into the cabin of the car that the headliner matches the way that they've chosen to do the trunk. Inside this jewelry box is the original trim tag to the car. And this tells us that it was built at the Norwood plant in September of '69, so it's a late production car. You can see it's an X33 car, and you can also see the D80 there. That means it got the spoiler package as well. Well, we're in the back. We'll take a quick peek underneath, and you can see the 12-bolt rear and so many other goodies underneath that when we're done out here in the showroom with the car, we're going to take it back and put it on the lift so you can see just all of what's been done underneath. The underside of this car is simply unbelievable. Now we're going to move up ahead to the engine bay, where all of the goodies really are on this car. And there's what we're talking about. That is a numbers matching DZ302 block. We actually checked the numbers on it up above the oil filter, and they are matched to the VIN. The front tab stamp has the DZ on it, showing that it is the 302 that it should be in this car. As you can see, a lot of chrome work's been done underneath of the engine. We've got a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock fin valve covers. You can see that the brake booster, reservoir, power steering reservoir, alternator, pulleys, radiator hoses, all chrome plated. You can see the gleaming headers down there. The headers have also been powder coated and polished and are heat rated at 1,250 degrees, so they won't tarnish while you're driving. Have this beautiful chrome cover up in the front, which sits over top of the radiator shroud, the fan shroud. Back on the back here, you can see that they have updated the ignition with MSD ignition. So the car starts great every time. Speaking of starting great, let's hop in and fire this car up. As you go to enter the car, you'll notice that so much is brand new in here. It's not funny. Door panels, brand new. Seats, brand new. You can see this is the deluxe houndstooth interior package. This car was born with just a standard black vinyl interior package and has been upgraded to the houndstooth. Look how clean the sill is. Everything. The carpet, brand new. Looking up, you'll see a very custom headliner. In the center is a standard type dome light, but running down the center strip are LED lights, which really look great in the dark. The back seat looks like it's never ever been sat in. Of course, the front seats look that way too. As we hop on into the comfortable interior, the seats are nice and firm, no wear here. You can tell that they've been restuffed and reupholstered recently. And everything else in here matches the newness. The dash is simply perfect. No cracks. No problems whatsoever. The wood grain is in impeccable condition. We have all working gauges. You can see the 4-speed Hurst shifter. And the wood trim here, and even the pop metal. Look, no pitting, just absolutely gorgeous. Just like it rolled out of the factory onto the showroom floor. The quartz clock on the dash still works. You'll see on the odometer to the left, 26 miles showing. That is how many miles it's been driven since restoration. Only a couple of non-original components on the interior, and that would be an AM/FM cassette Retrosound-style radio, and this 3-spoke aftermarket leather-wrapped steering wheel, which has a great hand feel, nice and comfortable. Although not original, a good choice. Now, we'll slip in the key and fire this baby up. All our gauges are working, tachometer's working, and that exhaust sounds so great, not just because of the headers, but those headers lead to 3-inch pipes with dual Magnaflow mufflers and really produce a hearty sound coming out the rear end of the car. Just a reminder, folks, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 614-276-7355. We're happy to answer any questions. We can also help you get shipping set up in an enclosed trailer right to your driveway. And we can help with financing. Wow, what a sound. If you're in the mood for a 69 Camaro, this is the total package. Absolutely. All right, everybody, we have moved back into our back garage and we have this beautiful 69 Z28 up on a lift. We don't normally shoot undercarriage videos of our cars, but this one is so spectacular underneath that we felt the need to actually make a video of it so you could see firsthand just what all's going on underneath here. There is a lot of powder coating that has been done underneath this car. You'll see that the gas tank has been powder coated, as have the straps that hold the gas tank. You'll see the rear axle tubes have also been powder coated. You see the 12-bolt rear end cover there, housing the 411 rear gears. You'll notice that the leaf springs and other suspension components have all been powder coated. You'll see there you've got rear wheel and front wheel disc brakes, all new brake lines underneath. Let's move under the lift here and get up underneath the car. Important to note that exhaust. You got dual Magnaflow mufflers, 3-inch pipes, X pipe in the center there, and it too is powder coated and polished with a heat warning all the way up to 1,250 degrees so it doesn't tarnish when you're out driving the car. You'll see here the traction bars have also been powder coated, as well as the leaf springs. Moving forward, the floor pans are simply beautiful. You could eat lunch underneath here and not get in trouble with the health inspector. They have painted the entire underside of the car body color. You can see here that anodized gold bolts have been used without being sparing all underneath here. Unbelievable. No worry about cost, just worry about excellence when they built this car. You'll see the frame rails have been powder coated as well. And as we move up here to the front, you'll see the M-21 Muncie 4-speed, which we date coded to November 22nd of 1968, which would have been just absolutely perfect for the production model of this car, so we believe it is the original transmission. We do know, up ahead of the powder-coated bell housing here, that we have the original DZ302 hiding up underneath. And again, look at these steering and suspension components. Everything has been powder-coated. Everything is like brand new. It is a sight to behold underneath this ride. Take a short walk back through here. You could tilt this car on its side at a car show and you would have people lined up in a big circle all around it to see this. Absolutely beautiful.